Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today here in Cyprus it's very cloudy and gloomy and yeah, it's just not a lucky day. So it's a very lazy day. So that's why I decided to see what I have in my fridge and just take out whatever I had and make something for lunch today. So what I found was one chicken breast, I had frozen broccoli, I have mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, pennes and that. So I'm gonna make up a dish and let's see how it goes. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos, and I hope everyone has a lovely day. So let's get started. So we have pennes, frozen broccoli, olive oil, mushrooms, chicken breast, cherry tomatoes, crushed garlic or 1 clove of fresh garlic, vegetable cream, sweet paprika, chili flakes, thyme, salt and black pepper. Bring a pan of water to a boiling point and add in the penne. Then add in some salt. Once your penne is ready, after about 7 minutes, drain it and put the same back pan on the heat. Lower it, drizzle some olive oil, add in the sweet paprika, chili flakes, thyme and crushed garlic. Give that a mix and then add in your cubed chicken. Once that is cooked, add in the mushrooms and the broccoli. Give that a mix and cook that for about 10 minutes. Once that is cooked, add in salt and ground black pepper. Give it a mix and then add in the cherry tomatoes, which I had cut up, and half a cup of cream and half a cup of water. Give that a good mix. And then add in the cooked penne. I put about 250 grams of penne. It's ample for 2 people. So give that a good mix and cook it for about 5 minutes. Once it has cooked, you can see it, the pennes have drawn up the juices of the cream and sauce. Now plate up your food. Grate a generous amount of parmesan and enjoy. Guys, that was so good. So I'm gonna get back to my meal and then after that do a little bit of washing up, as I didn't use that many dishes. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and guys, whatever you have in your fridge, freezer, pantry, whatever, just go at it. You never know. You can tell what goes, what doesn't go, and just have fun. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and I hope everyone is safe, and we will see you again in the next video. Bye.